Okay, today we will be learning how to set up an SCN environment. For those of you that don't know what SCN is, it stands for Small Community Network. It allows you to tie in 2 or more IP Office units to each other. When you do that, you will see all the units within one interface, and the programming will be shared throughout the units. Now the first thing you need to do is set up a VPN between your 2 sites or your 3 sites, however many sites you need. And that's beyond the scope of this video right now. But just keep that in mind that you want to have a VPN between the different sites. Next, you'll need an IP route. You'll need to be able to tell your IP office how to get out to the internet so that it could find the other side. And we do this simply by right-clicking on IP route, go to New. In this case, we're going to make all this as so. Your IP address is all zeros, your IP mask all 255s, and the gateway IP address is actually going to be the gateway that you have at your location to the internet. So typically this will be your router. And then we're going to pick where your destination is, or where it's going to go out through. Again, typically this will be LAN 1. And we'll say OK to that. Next thing you need to do is create a new line that will be used for the SCN. And you'll right-click on line, create new, and we're going to pick H323 line for this. Telephone number is basically just a descriptor of what this line is. For this example, this is going to be to our Las Vegas office. But this could be whatever you want. If you have an office in Atlantic City, if you have an office in California or in New York City, whatever it is, it's just a descriptor so that you know what it is by looking at it. You'll need to make sure that your outgoing group IDs are unique. So if you need to create multiple H323 lines, make sure that each one has a different group ID. And for VoIP settings, this is going to be the IP address of the unit on the other end. So on the other end in Las Vegas, what is the IP address of the IP office unit there? And we'll put this in here in our case. Make sure that your supplementary services are set to IP Office SCN. System default is correct. And as far as this goes, got to make sure you have your licenses set for the SCN environment. We will save this and push it out to the unit. And then under our preferences here, you want to make sure that under Discovery you have SCN Discovery checked. Otherwise it will not see your SCN units. And that's pretty much it.